So I can actually say with absolute certainty, this is really bad. It's orange, yellow, whatever it is. And if you guys haven't noticed, damn. Like, damn. Wow, it smells like a giant barbecue. I don't know why I'm doing that one. I'm gonna have a second anyway. It is orange out here. Orange, yellow, whatever, but it's bad. Fucking Tic Tacs in here. It's bad. And this is just from the fire from Canada. So they're telling everybody to stay inside. Because the particles can hurt you. I have no idea how long this is going to be. The weird thing is, when my ex actually texted me, he said, usually he gets on my case about me keeping my daughter home. He was like, keep your Brooklyn home tomorrow. From the way I see from my phone, it looks a lot whiter. When I look at it here, it's a totally different color. And it's only going to get worse. I'm used to the color in my phone. Not this color. Why does it look like there's a tree up there going sideways? Wait, let's try to do it. Right there. Looks like there's a tree going sideways. Right up there. Is that me or is... Looks like the tree's going sideways, but, this is really bad. The air quality is really bad. It's only gonna get worse. And this is, again, all from Canada. I don't know if you guys can see it, but... Wow! Want to see something? Where is it? Is it me? Or is that... Wow, here it looks white. It actually is orange. That's an orange moon. Yeah, it's really bad. So, I can my daughter home. I got my daughter home because of this. And it's only gonna get worse.